Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today, we are going to make a sock bunny. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. I am going to begin by filling my sock. So I've stretched it over a glass just to help with that filling process. And I have my rice here. I'm going to just pour it into my sock. And I want my rice to come up to just below the heel part of my sock. And once it gets there, I can go ahead and tie off the sock to keep all of the rice inside. So I'm going to keep filling my sock and be back in just a moment. So here I have the top secured by a piece of yarn. So now I need to create the head and body of my rabbit. So what I'll do is just gather a bit near the top to kind of separate out and create the head of my rabbit. And then I'll take a second bit of string and tie that around it and make a knot to secure it. So I'll do that now. And there you have it. So I have my head and my body of my rabbit. So now what I need to do is create the ears. So I have my ears here, and I'm going to take my scissors and cut on a diagonal right here. So I'm splitting the top of my sock in two, but I'm not going down the middle. Instead, I'm doing a diagonal cut. So I'll do that now. So you can see here, I have my ears cut. And the final step to our bunny is to add a face. Since this is a no-sew project, I'm just going to use a black marker and draw a face on. So that's the final step. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day, everyone.